Gee. Silent Waves moto, going nice and slow. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. We got a bridge up here. Watch out. Sometimes it's a little funky. Ooh, wood bridge. Go over it nice and smooth. We have a turn. We have a turn. Are we hurt? It sounds like we're hurt. Oh, I hope we're not hurt. Here's somebody backing up.
Had to lay it down, huh?
Yeah, the bridge.
Something for you?
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm just processing it.
So we got a three-wheeler.
I know.
I don't want you to get run over.
I'm good.
Worried about him, baby?
She looks a little stressed.
Jesus.
That's
what I'm telling you. In the name of Jesus.
Yes, amen.
The Jeep lady is a little weird. So what do you think happened here? What do you think happened here? This to me, what I think. Okay, I want you guys to write what you think in the comments. Okay, part of an after action review here at the MTC Rider Academy. Go ahead and grab yourself a donut. Is that I'm telling you my opinion. Okay, with my experience, 11-year firefighter, accident scene management instructor, MSF rider coach for 2 years, seeing thousands of these crashes and close calls, having my own MTC Rider Academy. We have our own academy training course. Everything that I've learned and everything I've seen. What's telling me here is that this person's a new rider, okay, or inexperienced. Maybe not new, because you could be inexperienced and been riding for 10 years. Okay, so think about that. Going over the bridge, hey, it's a weird bridge. It's wood. I'm kind of freaking out. I'm looking down. I'm making sure I'm handling this bridge pretty well. I'm handling it. I look up and I see that we have a sharp turn ahead. Oh crap. Panic brake. Because I'm going too fast for the turn. I'm smashing the brakes, fall down. There's stuff that leads up to the crash. Okay, it's not just, oh, he panic broke. It's that the focal vision, the attention was placed somewhere else until the last second. So we were zoned in. We were zoned in on the wrong thing. So this is more so a target fixation. Okay, this is more so a target fixation. We were focused on the bridge. We finally passed the bridge, look up, oh crap, slam the brakes and fall down. There's multiple factors in here. Multiple factors. Not situationally aware to the whole situation. You're right, Steve. He was situationally aware to this, looks up, now situationally aware to this, not enough time, slams the brakes. So you have to be situationally aware to the whole situation. You need to kind of step back out of your body sometimes and take a quick look. So let me know if I'm right or wrong here. Or, give me your opinion. Because it doesn't make sense outside of that. We're going over this bridge. He's focused on not doing anything bad, not screwing this up. It's kind of weird. It's concerning. It's different. It's a single vehicle bridge, one at a time. I'm just like, what's going on? What's going on? And we're handling it. And as soon as we get to here, it's like, oh crap! I have to turn. And then we apply the brakes really hard. Instead of just calming down, being confident in your riding ability, instead of just being like, okay, I can handle this, and I just make my turn while I'm still on the bridge, or like I'm slowing it down, going over this. It's not a big deal. It's wood. Okay, it's still got some traction. And that's if you don't think he knew it turned, Lazy J, that's a great observation. You don't think he knew he was supposed to turn. And that's because we're looking here and like everything else is just kind of, it's just this. It's like we're just looking at that middle area. We're just looking in the middle. We don't see anything else. All this squiggles, that's your peripheral vision. You have to utilize that still. So your focal vision is sharp, focused. Like stare at something right now, everybody. Stare at this donut right here. Stare at the donut. You see how that donut right there is like crispy. Not it tastes good. It's crispy, but it's like you can see it, like 1080p, 4K, whatever you want to go. You can see it. But can you read the rescue on the wall? Can you read the white, yellow, orange, red, and brown while staring at that? No, you can't. And that's part of the problem. That's what's happening here. So focused on the bridge, he doesn't see that there's a sign that says you need to turn. That's the problem. It's low visibility, shade. Yeah, there's multiple factors that could be there too. We got that. We got this here. You know, we have to be able to look, though. We have to be able to scan 360 situational awareness. We talked about that in our basic training course. So he's staring down, but it's like, we gotta turn. That's why I think it's an inexperienced problem, or just possibly zoned out. Could be zoned in on the bridge, but zoned out everywhere else. Got himself a quad lock. I don't know where his phone is because he might have left it at home because it won't fall off his quad lock. Links in description for discount for quad lock. Let's go ahead and jump right into this one. Whoa, we hit something. Oh, hit a piece of wood. Swerved out of the way, but still got the jostling. Moving on to Kawasaki RR Pilot. We're just going to go ahead and keep going. Screw it. We're having a lot of fun. We're going to have our knee down, maybe low side a little bit. There it is. There's the low side. Elbow, face, head, knees, hips into the ground. Make sure you rescue your buddy. Make sure you remain calm yourself. Ensure your own safety. Stop any major bleeds. Thankfully, he hit a trailer and a house right there, so maybe you can go ahead and get somebody to help him out. But that thing is stuck underneath.
I fucking
Slid out, but he's got some gear, so at least some of the Smart Rider principles here.
Try to pick up on it, then we'll pull it out.
You gotta use some,
All right.
you gotta have some strength.
And pick up.
Some strength. Full gear. Pushing the limits. Make sure you push your limits at
Yeah, move.
a track. Okay, so I get it. You want to have some fun. It's free out there. Jim Diebolt moving on through here on a cruiser going through the mountains. Are we gonna have deer or a low side, or going a little too wide in the corner, or both? We have somebody on the side. Oh no, we went a little bit wide here. Feet down. You can't Flintstone things. Angelino Rider. Okay, a little bit too fast for the area. We got side of the vehicle coming up. Your good job on the swerve last second. Got yourself out of there, but still be very careful. Okay, you have to understand that when you're riding this fast through a neighborhood with all these vehicles that could pop out on you, you're gonna have a close call. So Beefy Tom, once again, we're going through here. Too fast in the corner. You're gonna go a little bit wide, buddy. Ooh, threaded that needle. That was lucky. We're gonna be going through this corner, going a little too fast. Remember, you want to slow look, press, and roll through here. You don't want to do this. You want to slow look, press, and roll. But look at this. He's gonna go wide. He needs to find an escape path. Thankfully, he was able to jump the curb instead of just dump it. So he jumps the curb and then goes through this area. Decent escape path. Shouldn't have done it in the first place. Should have planned your ride a little bit better. But take that as an omen.